Hey, what's up everyone? I'm sitting beside Siemy and we have another quick tip for you, more of another quick challenge. This is about four-way coordination. This is more for the intermediate to advanced drummers. We did one just a little bit ago where we talked about beginner independence. Now we're going to challenge you intermediates and advanced drummers with your left foot. Now, if you haven't seen a lot of Siemy, definitely go and check him out. He's really independent. He's great with his four-way coordination. So Siemy, what do you have for us for a challenge?
Hi, today it's going to be a Brazilian rhythm. 4/4 goes 1, 2, 3, ta-ka-doom doom, ta-ka-doom doom, ta-ka-doom doom, ta-ka-doom doom, ta-ka-doom doom, ta-ka-doom doom. 8 notes on the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3. Slowly. 1, 2, 3.
Very cool. Take your time with that one. Follow along with the sheet music if you have to. Siemy, you've got 2 more challenges for us. What's the next one?
Okay, the next one is going to be an African-based clave, which I'll be playing on with the hi-hat. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, ta 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 ta, and the rest a backbeat on top of this. I'm going to play the backbeat first, the 2 and 4, and then I'm going to add the left foot. 1, 2, 3, ah. Now slowly. 1, 2, 3, ah.
Awesome. Maybe one more time, just a little bit slower.
Really slowly. 1, 2, 3, ah.
Love it. Not an easy pattern. Let's try the last one. What's the last
The
challenge?
last one, you probably heard that groove. It goes. You heard that. It's the same groove on the hi-hat. Again, establish the 2 and 4 first to feel comfortable, and then you dive into that groove, that pattern. Do it again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, ah. Remember the original?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, there you go. 3 challenges for you intermediate and advanced drummers. Can you do this? Give it a shot. It's a great independence builder for your left foot. Leave a comment below, and if you can film a video of yourself doing it, share that video with us. We'd love to see it. Hopefully you enjoyed these challenges, and if these are too hard, go to our other video where we have more beginner challenges for your left foot, and we'll see you guys around.